How to find and remove duplicate contacts in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can find and remove the duplicate contacts on Android. So without further ado, let's get started with our video. So first of all, you have to launch the default contact app on your device. That might be the Google Contact app. So tap on it. So once you have opened up the contact app, if you navigate to your bottom right corner, there you will find an option as organized. Tap on it. So once you're here, again tap on merge and fix. So under fix or merge and fix tab, there you have an option that says merge duplicates. Tap on it. Here you will find all the duplicates contact in your device. Now if you want to combine them all, simply tap on merge all. Then tap on OK. And all the duplicate contacts will be merged in your device, and that's how you can find and remove the duplicate contacts on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.